Hiya! Well found, Tracy. What did I say this was? 12.9 miles?
20k.
20k trip? That's good.
Long one.
That's a good one. That's all I want. It's all good fun. Look at this. It's a lot of cloud though. So here we are in Great Langdale, walking along the Mickleden Valley. Intention today is to summit Scafell Pike, highest mountain in England, and probably take in a number of Wainwrights at the same time. It's going to be a good one. A couple of ridges to do. We're going to see Angle Tarn. I think that's one of the main reasons we picked this route, coming in from Great Langdale, rather than do the popular tourist route. So yeah, so we're going to just kind of follow the Mickleden Valley around here, and then up towards Angle Tarn first. There's a lot of cloud, so I'm not too sure about visibility, not too sure about what the views will be like, but it's an adventure. We always want to do Scafell Pike, and I'm trying out my new shoes as well, the new Merrells with flashy red lasers. Cornelius. Hello, Cornelius. Bye bye, Cornelius. So, let's nail this now, Craig. So, yeah, he has never seen James Bond movies. Crazy.
Reading, how am I getting through, yeah?
Not just that, never seen Harry Potter.
You've never seen Harry Potter.
Lord of the Rings.
You've never seen Lord of the Rings.
Star Wars.
Star Wars. What else?
Anything else?
The Matrix.
The Matrix, I've never seen that.
I mean, they're probably the most iconic and best films of all time.
So would you say all of them films are like really good? Like Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, Star Wars, The Matrix?
Of course. What's wrong with you? Indiana Jones, Aidan, what was that? You've seen Indiana Jones. What's your verdict? It's all right. Oh, this is our first water crossing with my new shoes.
Marshy there.
It's marshy over here. Reminds us of the Cheviot. Well, new shoes. Water test. What's it like, Greg?
Alright, but it's starting to get a little bit
Deeper.
I was more leaking because as soon as your socks get wet, but it's
I don't know. I didn't get any water there, so that was good. Good test those shoes, they'll dry. Dry. Thank you, Merrill. Yeah, that was good. Merrill feet. Straight to this one. Didn't have a swim. Tracy's managing.
Lost balance on the first step.
Yeah, we're kind of coming into the end of the valley now, where we need to find the route up towards Angle Tarn. It's just there's a lot of clag. Now I've come to kind of the end of the basin. I just need to find the trail. Yeah, a waterfall.
Oh, wow.
Look at this.
Because you're on camera.
Don't you just love the old trails app? Trying to work out where the route is up to the top of there somewhere. I'm just going to follow one, see where it takes us. Lost a fair few rivers now though. Some waterfalls. It's been good. Come on. All refreshed, ready for the ascent. We all want to see Angle Tarn. Tracy's getting excited.
Upwards and onwards.
Upwards and onwards. Upwards and onwards and the crosswards. Horizontal words. Horizontal words. Well, we will be traversing. There's a race. Looks like a bunch of I've just caught your camera there, Tracy. Everybody's taking photos. I mean, why not? Beautiful. So, traversing the side of this mountain here to get up to Angle Tarn. It's a nice little incline, it's not too bad. Experience worse. A lot like rocks. First little scramble. Here we go.
You're going to test it out, eh? Test it out. See the way it is.
This looks pretty good, like.
Yeah.
Oh, what's wrong with that?
That.
Crystal clear.
Isn't it?
No bogeys. I'll have a little drink.
Look what that is.
That's the way he drops down dead.
Yeah.
Are you?
At the end of the day.
Oh, I thought it was right here.
No flavour to it.
Damn it.
But it tastes more minerally, like
Rocky.
No, just a little, I guess. Hey, probably filter's working. I'm not dead.
I had a wee in there, you know, where you were scrambling.
Did it?
Yeah.
Loving this. Such a good little traverse and scramble. Rocks, climbing, steps. Look, them two up there. Head. We've got to kind of go up, around, and then up to Angle Tarn, like a little peak. Good fun, this. Look at this. It's just awesome. Tracy, it's amazing.
Average at best.
Have to say, this is probably the best, I don't know, area for traversing the mountain. Like, it's just such a good experience. A lot of little scrambly bits, some amazing views, as you can see, all the way down that valley. Yeah, I've still got a bit to go. I've still got to go up there, you can see, in the Craig, and it kind of forks to the right, up to the top, where Angle Tarn is, so behind that bit of crag. And yeah, we'll eventually be at Angle Tarn. But I'm enjoying this. It's such a good experience. Lovely adventure. It gets windy a little bit, and it's really cool and calm in the next. It hasn't really rained properly yet, but we are moving up into the clouds. However, there is some blue sky that way, so fingers crossed it kind of disperses in the afternoon, where we hope to be at the top of Scafell Pike and having a cup of tea. I'm going to assume this is probably the most fun part of the adventure, because there's just so many waterfalls and rivers you've got to cross. Look at this view, look at them two on that rock.
Wow.
Oh, good. Let's go and try it, check it out. Part up before we get the Angle Tarn. Let's go up there, so a little gap. A mini cave! Oh, Aiden's excited. Aiden's excited, he's found a mini cave. The question is, can Aiden fit in it? A mini cave.
Full of stones.
Oh, what's the cave? Oh, there.
Hollow rock.
Fraggle rock.
Walk around it and it's there.
Even Aiden couldn't fit under there. Seeing something. Good climb. The sheep over there, watching us before, must be thinking, why haven't they got 4 legs? Make it a lot easier to get up that mountain. Yeah, cheers sheep. That's why we use poles.
Well, I hear you not.
Doing well. Let's go, up and over. Up and over. Was that Pike, lads?
Let's do it.
Oh, no.
There, let's have a look. Get up on top of there. Trying to find the route. Bossett Pike, done. One win right, done. Done lads. Bossett Pike. That's an amazing video clip, Craig.
Thanks.
It's on YouTube on in our pocket.
In our pocket,
That reminds me of a film, In Our Space. Remember that film? You remember that
Seen
film?
it?
Oh.
Never seen it.
What a surprise.
He hasn't seen In Our Space. Oh no. It's going to be a lot of educating for Aidan, I think. Like, I have to give him a list of films to watch.
I watch proper films, man, like Top Gun.
Top Gun's good. Did.
How's it in?
Oh, has he been sluggish as well?
Yeah.
It's a big slug, isn't it? Yeah. Big as an eat.
Cheers, man.
Good thing about you though, Aidan, is you don't leave a trail behind. Although sometimes you
The
do.
day I might have been like.
Here we are at Angle Tarn. It's been a little bit windy. There it is. On a mission. A little bit blustery there. Oh, look at this. Got the cross. Whoop. Let's do it. Here we go. Let the wind picks up. Whoop. Oh.
The 1 and the 2.
That's it. The 1 and the 2, Tracy. The 1 and the 2. The 1 and the 2. No. You gotta stretch your leg over.
Thanks.
Ready, Craig? Angle Tarn done. It's had a nice little bit of food there. Lot. Little food pouches that were cooked. Boilers. Weren't very nice. Yeah, meat hot pot. Wouldn't recommend them. Ready to go, like? That was good. It's not at the same time. you fell? Oh God.
Yeah.
Have you done an Aiden? Are you alright?
Yes, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Not twisted anything. The ankle alright?
Yeah, it's lost balance.
Ah, right. Which way? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Just do it. And this takes rock climbing on the beach to another level, doesn't it? Finding the crabs on the beach. That was hard enough. But we're going to go up that to Scafell. This is the last summit push to Scafell of this ridge. Scramble. I'll have to come back down it as well. Yeah. Are we prepared? No. Let's do this. Let's do this. It's just, you put enough pressure down, it won't move. Oh, did it? Well done. Eventually, on the way back after a hell of a scramble and bouldering and everything, on my way back down to Angle Tarn, and some of the fog and the clouds cleared. Check these views out. car. And Aidan's just said, Craig's just said, check out the cloud. I've just come down. Pretty epic. What a day. What a day. Scafell Pike done. Boom.
Like I know, like.
That was hard. That was hard. Well done, everybody.